Welcome back to Homebuyer University. Today we're going to be going over closing costs. We'll be going over just what they are, what the differences are between closing costs and prepaids, and what to look out for if you're reviewing any quotes that you're getting from lenders. Andrew, kick us off. What are closing costs?
Closing costs are all the fees from any third party that's involved in helping you purchase your home. These are typically licensed professionals that offer some type of service while you're buying your home. These third parties can include appraisers, notaries, your mortgage team, or even your title and escrow team. To take it one step further, you'll receive an estimate or a quote with all of these fees itemized out to show you which provider they belong to. So those are your closing costs. But Dominic, you mentioned prepaids at the beginning of the episode. What's the difference between closing costs and prepaids?
So the second thing that we want to get into are the differences between closing costs and prepaids. And technically there's a difference here. In general, closing costs and prepaids all get lumped into one, and most people call all of those expenses closing costs. However, some of them aren't closing costs, some of them are prepaids. So what are prepaids and why are they not closing costs? Prepaids technically are not fees associated with buying your home, but they're all the items of your home ownership that you have to pay for in advance. Now these things could be certain portions of your property tax bills that you have to preemptively pay depending on when that tax bill is due. It is usually your first full year's worth of homeowners insurance. It could also be a proration of mortgage interest or a mortgage payment. So all of these things you're still paying at closing. However, they are not fees. They're technically a part of your ownership, and that's why we call them prepaids. What you're really going to want to do with all of these costs and fees is just understand them. Have a candid conversation with either your mortgage professional or your title and escrow professional to make sure you understand just what is behind each one of those line item costs and fees. You're going to want to make sure that these are accurate quotes. Is this quoted high or is this quoted low? Some of the fees are optional, some are not. Sometimes they have to put costs on there in case they come up. But are you going to have to pay for that if that service wasn't actually rendered? So the biggest thing you want to look out for is just making sure you understand each line item on there, what it means. Is it an accurate quote, or could there be some variance, whether that cost can go up, down, or just be removed completely? At the end of the day, it's all about understanding where your money is going. So do not be shy to ask about each line item to make sure you understand what it is, who it goes to, and why it's there.